Hello and welcome back to Chao, where we talk about all things coffee and tea. I share recipes that are simple and cost-effective for those at home, those with milk tea and coffee shops, and for those that are still thinking of starting a coffee or tea business. Today, I will be sharing with you a special coffee recipe. We are going to make Black Forest Latte, and it's going to be not one, but coffee trio. For those that have not yet seen any of my previous coffee trio, it is all about making the same flavor using 3 different types of coffee ingredients. First is using instant coffee. For this, I would recommend that you do not use the 3-in-1 variety, but the regular instant coffee without sugar and creamer added to them. Second is using cold brew coffee. For the cold brew, you may either make them yourselves or buy them from your favorite cold brew off the shelf. Making your own is relatively easy and a lot cheaper, so you should give that a try. Finally, using espresso shots, either from an espresso machine or mocha pots. Do check out my other video tutorials on how to make cold brew coffee, how to pull espresso shots from an espresso machine, and how to brew espresso using mocha pots. Let's look at our ingredients. Aside from the coffee, we will need fresh milk, whole milk or any milk of your choice. It could be soy milk or almond milk. Next is milk syrup. This is my own version of half and half. Please do check out how to make my homemade milk syrup in the video link above. You may choose different sweetness level according to your own preferences. What I will be showing you are commercial recipes, which would tend to be on the perfectly sweet and creamy side. When trying these recipes for the first time, I would suggest that you follow the original recipes shown here and then adjust according to your own sweetness preferences later. Because the drinks are Black Forest Latte, we will need cherry flavor. I only have mixed berries with me at the moment, so I will be using Mixed Berries Puree instead. There are commercially available Black Forest syrups in the market, but we are making our own blend here. To complete the drink, we need chocolate. This time, I will be using commercially available flavors. For the mixed berries, I am going to use a local blend, which is Long Beach. And for the chocolate, I am going to use Da Vinci sauce. For all these drinks, we will be topping them up with an optional strawberry cream. For those at home, you may skip this if you wish, and if you don't have a strawberry cream. For those with coffee shops, the strawberry cream adds value to the presentation of the drinks, making it an authentic Black Forest, chocolate, cherryish flavor, whipped cream. But this time, it will even be more spectacular with coffee added into the mix. The recipes today are for large 700 ml cups, roughly 22 to 24 ounces cups, or in Starbucks cup sizes, the venti. For this video tutorial, I'll be showing a quick and easy preparation of the Black Forest Latte, no layering. If you would like to see how to prepare this drink with layering effect, please check my other video on Black Forest Latte from a mocha pot. Let's start by making our Black Forest Latte using instant coffee. For this, I'm going to use hot water, 150 ml or 5 ounces of hot water, 1 tablespoon of Nescafe, give it a stir. We're going to add 1.5 ounce of my milk syrup or 45 ml. We are going to use my Mixed Berries Puree. For this, I am going to put only 20 ml or slightly over half an ounce of Mixed Berries Puree. We are going to mix them all together. Chocolate sauce. There you go. And that's our Black Forest Latte using instant coffee. Give it a good stir to make sure that you combine all the ingredients well. Because the drink is rather hot, make sure you just stir the ice in. And this is your Black Forest Latte using instant coffee. On to the next one. We are going to use cold brew. I am going to use 3/4 of a cup, 3/4 cup, or 180 ml of cold brew coffee. Once again, I am going to use 45 ml of milk syrup, or 1.5 ounce of milk syrup. $20 ml of my mixed berries puree. And finally, half an ounce of chocolate sauce. Once again, give it a good stir and make sure everything is well combined. Pour your drink over. So this is our Black Forest latte using cold brew. Finally, Black Forest latte using espresso shots. Now I pulled this espresso shots a while earlier and it's now completely cooled down. This is 3 shots of espresso, and because this is a strong espresso shot, I am going to dilute it with some fresh milk. 2 ounces of fresh milk. And the rest will be the same ingredients. So 45 ml or 1.5 ounce of milk syrup. 20 ml of our mixed berries puree, one pump of our chocolate sauce, which is the 15 ml of chocolate sauce. Give it a good stir. Now we have our 3 drinks here. I'm just going to stir in the ice to make sure that the drink will become instantly cold. Let's look at how we make our strawberry cream. Get 1 cup of heavy whipping cream and whip until soft peaks. Add in your strawberry puree, 60 ml of strawberry puree. Whip until well combined. We are looking for a foamy texture, so we do not want it to be too thick. At this point, add 60 ml of fresh milk. Whip until we reach a foamy consistency, enough to make it float on top of your drinks. Now for the icing of the cake. And just put a tiny bit on top. There you go, 3 delicious Black Forest latte using 3 different types of coffee. Now, I am not sure which one is which one at this point, but there's only one way to find out, which is to give it a try. Wow. It tastes like Black Forest, very strong coffee. I think this is using the espresso shots. Strong coffee, the taste of chocolate, and also the berries, just like a regular Black Forest, except it is in your coffee drink. Delicious. Next, let's see. I think this might be my cold brew. The colors are actually very, very similar because they are blended with coffee and chocolate and also the mixed berries. Definitely cold brew. Very, very refreshing. Once again, the taste of coffee is not very strong, no acidity at all. In fact, this is similar to having a really, really refreshing drink of chocolate and also mixed berries. I like it, it's delicious. And finally, this would be the darkest of them all. This must be the instant coffee. what do you know? This actually tastes the strongest among the three of them. And for some reason, this tastes so much more like Black Forest. I suppose some of the Black Forest cakes, they probably add a little bit of instant coffee in there. That's why the taste of this drink is very, very similar to a Black Forest cake. If I have to make a choice among the three of them, I would probably select the one with the instant coffee as the one which resembles Black Forest cake the most. And the other two are also equally good. It just depends on what ingredients you have at home. So there is no excuse. You may use instant coffee, cold brew, be it your own homemade one or bought from commercial places, and the espresso shots using either the espresso machine or your mocha pots. That's all I have for today. I hope that you learned something new. Once again, give these recipes a try at home and let me know how they go for you. For those that have not yet subscribed to this channel, make sure you click that subscribe button below. I publish everything on milk tea and coffee in this channel, so stay tuned and stay up to date. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.